So today I have the M9 True Wireless Earbuds. They kind of look like they're straight out of Tron. Let's take a look. Yeah, kind of look like Tron or, Spy versus Spy. Always gotta recycle. Jeez Louise, that is tight. Hello. Note, please charge the case if the charging case is off. All right, fairly straightforward. Here's your pill. Oh, hello, little button. Oh my God, it's like an oyster. All right, so what do they give you here in the thing here? Okay, so there's like the charge percent. Okay, so it kind of reminds me a little bit of the form factor of the two new models of the Bose that came out. All right, so we are out of battery here, so let's see what they give you in the box. I see a thank you coming. No thank you. Get some kind of easy explanation. And micro USB and an extra pair of tips. So let's charge her up first. They are quite beautiful and nice. I wonder how they fit in the ear just off chance. So this is the left. Wow, super snug. And give it the head bob. Yep, they are not falling out. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do next is hook them up to my phone and give a listen and report back. So yeah, overall, they're pretty good. They have decent frequency response and the bass is pretty heavy. The treble and the actual sound, there is some sound getting cut off with these headphones. And you'll find that a lot on the lower end headphones, but one of the real benefits of these for me, and it's all subjective too, but these fit perfect in my ear and everyone's different. And that's the reason why buying headphones, even reasonably priced headphones, is such a challenge. Go to any big box store, brick and mortar store. As soon as you buy the headphones, you cannot return these. Now, Amazon is a little bit more lax and liberal. You can return headphones. So the problem with headphones is, yes, hygienic, I get it. But as soon as you put it in your ear, it may fit or not fit depending on everyone's ears are different. Everyone's hands, soles, feet, fingers, everyone is unique and beautiful in their own way. And you can't expect a one size fits all. So these fit me perfectly and, take that with a grain of salt because everyone's ears are different. So amazing bass, okay treble. There is some sounds getting cut off. And overall, I'm pretty impressed. You can see this through there to just check the charge level. And it's kind of cool. It's like a semi transparent clamshell. Kind of reminds me of like a makeup kit or whatever. But yeah, pretty nice and nifty. I hope you guys like that quick look unboxing review. And I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in this product. And have a great day.